we've been waiting all morning. We said 10:30, but the driver had something to do, so now it's 12 o'clock and we're still here. Now we're changing our destination because I'm not driving all over the fields today. We're gonna go to Treasure Beach instead. Yeah, I'll be just trying it. They be just trying it. This is $1,000. How much is $1,000? What, about $7? Jamaica's expensive. Jamaica is very, very. Possibly dropping a trunk there. Jamaica is very expensive. I think I might actually just move to Africa for real. What? Everything out here dear. Why am I paying $7 for 2 oranges? Jefferson ain't gone there. Watch out for what got down the way. Watch.
If they're not top down on the corner, so they might go for down for the bamboo.
It's hot. Oh, here they come. Southfield Junction type area. It's like dependent. What's the? I always see one day that they for 4.5 million US in a hit one. You have to go tear out the whole in a hit to fix it. One house up here somewhere. They want 4.5 million US.
Oh, yeah, man, tail you blow. Watch it. You know,
See the way I go exactly at the max speed. Still shut. But it's a big plaza. So they still had enough shop. Then the mud and the mud. And them have bike. Have them have bike. I thought they would have more, but they don't have that much.
No, at 2 times now, Reka come up and come
oh, come clean you out. Oh.
2 times now, Reka come and come clean up and take it and go.
Clean it up more. That they blow over. Thank Lord. Fish pot.
Sign right by gateway or something. Come on, Jack Sprat.
What? You let me out here. You pay people them cowboy can't let you out here. I'd be a cow somewhere. How much a cow? I mean, I know. How much you call their money? Money.
Only for money, master. You buy one cheap and you can sell it for much money. Buy and raise it. One copy of $100,000. When you sell it, that's how you have to pay for one car. And you sell it for all 800, 900,000.
Jesus Christ. Not true, man, go there. Damn. See, how are you going to guarantee that it don't get stolen?
Big side on us.
Calabash Bay. You put it on the red truck again. I mean, the ocean's right there, so, or the sea is right there.
Yeah, go see one old car on the side.
Oh, for Jake's. They need to put up more sign. So the sign blow down.
So,
The sign blow down. That's supposed to be the sign and the
sign gone.
and the fish. The sign blow down. Yeah, see Jake. This is Jake's. And Jack Sprat's supposed to be right there. So yeah, Jack Sprat there. Right there. And it's at Jack Sprat. Oh wait, Jack Sprat. That's why I hate to take a beating too. Recording. I don't want to record the people. I want to record this stuff. Oh, this works. It's not crowded. This works. This works. I said this works. It's not crowded. You know what I forgot? That this place we having rocks in the water sometimes. We could take this little spot right here, right?
That's so disrespectful. That's upsetting me. Huh? I said that's upsetting me. So dumb.
Sit on the bag.
If you ever seen that background and sending that people.
Why does this man still have on socks?
Follow that
We know Jeffrey's not going in the water, so he's gonna watch him. He's not gonna water enough.
It was the seats for you to come watch our stuff and be closer to our stuff. Or move it over this side. My phone. Your mother don't have a back.
Yeah, the back has space in it, so let's just put it. Ah, make it come over here, so with it. Come over here, so with it.
You want your phone in her bag?
No. I have these.
What is that?
For your phone. You want to take your phone in the water with you?
Oh, give me my phone back. Don't you want to phone in the water?
No.
He could put it in it. That's what it's for.
I want you to hold the bag like this. You can't. The house over here,
Even though Grandma have a few more we could take. We just
I'll hold it on picture.
Can we name it Charles?
Oh,
Right. I don't know what y'all came here for, but I know what I came here for. So, oh Lord, it's kind of chilly. Are they going to the bar to get something to drink? I'm not.
And Jada, yes, I will.
You might want to take that mesh thing off so you don't get squares. Navian, take your top off so you don't get squares.
What's squares?
That's the way you tan.
Oh.
We out here in the beach, finally.
19.
Oh, really?
Finally, we're in the water. Come on, to Michelle. Finally. How is that fun? Wave for the camera. Huh?
What? Looks like from afar. Looks like what did they get inside?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's outside.
You want to get inside? No.
I can't get my wig away. It won't dry in time for tomorrow.
I do not like you. I do not like you. Someone got me home. I can't stop. That Jada? Mommy? Over there? Where are you?
I'm right here. Flash off your hand and wipe your eye. Flash your hand. Flash your gun and wipe your eye.
No,
Nah.
Eye. It's burning. I feel like stupid right now.
Open your eyes. Look.
Why is it burning? What you need?
The sand?
No,
Oh, the tan?
That's quick.
And you put that.
And I put on sunscreen.
This one's like.
Exactly. It's all the UV rays. It's killing us.
About.
You too now? You got tan too? Yeah, you are.
There's oh,
Yeah.
I don't believe it.
I'm gonna go closer.
I'll help you.
careful, mama.
Good. You know, you can look down, you can see your feet. Look, it got oh, yes, a worm? And it got shallow. It feels so good to be in the water. Come on. Fix your face. Fix your face. Let me take a picture. I'm trying to take a picture. Come on, T, let's take a picture. We're in the water. It feels good to be in the water. Come on, T. Somebody said a photo. This is a video. Yeah, take the picture in the video. Be quiet.
Yeah, school is okay.
In order to afford this, we have to go back.
Aren't you done?
The vacation's almost over.
You going to
I want to cry.
Like this.
Huh?
Instead of getting presents.
Huh?
Like this morning getting presents.
You have these memories, the presents you grab up eventually.
I go back to work.
And plus, y'all get shit all year long.
Yeah.
This was a good Christmas present.
Absolutely.
Better than presents. We are present in Jamaica instead of having presents. We're in the water. In the water. Where's my man? Lloyd, what the hell?
Little Mermaid.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
5 stars.
Do a handstand.
Oh. Good job. 5 stars.
Look at them with their drinks.
Alvin,
Like, how they didn't ask if we want? What if we wanted drinks too?
Good job. You got 3 stars.
You could layer them. You could layer them. Some dry over here, so.
Recorder.
Who?
Albion.
No.
my friend.
She's on dry sand, yes, sir. Para. You can mix it. But mix it. And you could also get some of the black one for down a beer. Then I said mix it.
No, one in a one.
You might get a different bag tomorrow.
I have two in my bag. I went back and picked it up when we were leaving.
Somebody that works at bring me some sand. I said somebody that works at bring me some sand.
Doreen asked for sand.
As if she wasn't just here at the beach. All right, that's enough. You don't want it too heavy. That's probably too much. That's probably too much because he gonna hit sand heavy. She could get a little jar and lay them in it.
She asked for sand. She didn't ask for pretty.
I said she could do that. I said that she could do that. Thank you. No. Tell them again. I don't even get paid.
Should I get it curry? Ooh, that sounds kind of good. Have you had curry blocks? Should I take the pictures?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Oh, okay. So they were on your bag anyways. Oh, they came Parker.
$2,000.
$2,000 for that?
Yes, $2,000.
I'm not eating them. They could at least serve them, but I'm not eating them.
$2,000. That is crazy.
Yep, put in the barbecue sauce.
Skinny wouldn't get this much, so this is not bad. This is not bad. That's not bad. This was $5,000, and which is still crazy.
Where's my pizza?
What is the dog?
Huh?
Okay. Pizza,
For the salad, you can't that. You can't that. You can't the sauce. So we're at Jake's in Treasure Beach.
oh, girl, I'm tired.
It's a decent little beach.
Is it good?
So,
This is a short for every time you get food.
huh?
Every time you get food.
Yeah. We forget about the camera. Go straight to eat it. Because a lot of times we be really hungry and ready to go.
Got my other piece. Wait, where's my green? Oh, my green bag is upstairs. Here's your hat.
And that's Jake's next door. And over here you have Jack's Sprat. I mean, it's a decent little swimming spot. It's not even on you.
It's me right now. I need to go to the trunk. I'm not underwear.
Mm.